I got these flower seeds that were given to me, and I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm going to go ahead and plant them right now. This one is for red Flanders poppies. They're common poppies, are the same kind that we're growing in Flanders Field. And here is some Sweet William. Yeah, and this last one here is hollyhocks. So I'm going to plant all three of these seeds in pots. This is the time of the year. And then some of them I like planting them in pots because you have a lot more control over them. And so I'm going to start off by filling them up with potting soil. Very hot and humid today, so sometimes I'm worried that these seeds, whether or not they'll germinate, because some of them have to have temperatures. Yeah, here's the hollyhock seeds. Have to have temperatures below 70. So okay, how are we going to open this? There. There goes. That would be a lot if I planted them in rows. But I'm going to spread them around in here. And they probably need to be at least ½ inch deep, does it say? I'm gonna guess ½ inch deep. Sorry. And the other one is the red Flanders poppies. It says sow them in bare soil, but the problem is you need to have bare soil to do that. That won't get and I don't really have any place to put it because I don't know what's going to happen. You know, if you put it in a pot, at least you know that that's where it is. But if you put them on the ground, they can get walked on, or I don't have any seed beds. I think it's the problem. Okay, there. Here is the hollyhocks right there. And here is the poppies right here. I'll just leave them on top. And here's the Sweet William. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, here's all the seeds. Next thing I'm going to do is dig a hole and put the pots down in there so they don't get knocked over. Seems like if you dig a hole and put them in the hole, it keeps the squirrels from digging in there. It's a hot day, but this soil is nice and cool and damp. Look at that. Nice and cool and damp. That's the benefits of having a mulch everywhere. I can't believe that. How cool and damp this soil is. I'm just filling in around the sides of the pot here. Okay, the other one. One more. Oh, look at the size of that worm.
Oh, wow.
That's,
oh, wow.
Yeah, that's what happens when you have a lot of good organic material in your soil. Better get out of the sun there, buddy. Yeah, put some leaves on top of them. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, the last thing, is fill up each one with water. And then I'm going to fill up the watering pot and just leave it right here. And then that way, every time that I walk past there, I'll put some more water on there, and that will keep the seeds moist. So keep the watering pot here full of water, and then every time I walk past here, so I'm keeping those seeds moist. And we'll see in a couple of days what happens. I had some moss roses out front that germinated in only a couple of days, and I thought that was really great. So if you like that video, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. So thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.